Now that we've learned about the various elements that make up the widget system, let's put them to use. The project files that come with this project come with some various elements from the shooter example and the third-person template provided by Epic Games. They also come with a few free assets that you can use to create the elements for this course. Let's open the project. Once it's open, you'll see 4 folders in the content browser. The shooter folder contains all the data from the shooter example project. The survival game folder contains subfolders that will be used in our course, as well as some of the free elements that we'll use. The third-person folder contains the third-person template. And then finally, the Unreal Widgets folder contains a few examples for your reference. We're going to be working on the survival game folder, so let's open that. You can see several subfolders in here, such as blueprints, fonts, maps, and so on. If we open the maps folder, you can see that I've already created the 2 main maps that we're going to use for this project. mEntry01 will serve as our starting map, which will hold our main menu and settings. mMainLevel01 is a stripped down version of the main map of the shooter example project. It will serve as our main level where the game will be played. If we click on the blueprints folder, we'll see the main character that we'll be using. It's the third-person character from the third-person template. So we're going to be creating a simple survival game. But since our main character is a robot, we'll be replacing the normal survival elements like food, water, and health with battery, oil, and wrench. Our player will need to search through the level to find these elements to remain alive. A score will tick up with the time and will provide a final score at the end. We will be creating several widgets in this game, including a main menu, a settings menu, an on-screen HUD, and an in-game menu. Now, we're going to need to create a couple of things for our survival game to work. So let's click on the blueprints folder and create a new blueprint. We're going to choose the actor type, and we're going to call this blueprint battery. Now let's make another blueprint and choose the actor type. We'll name this blueprint oil. Make another blueprint and choose actor type. Name this blueprint wrench. And then finally, make one more and call it electricity. This one will hurt our character, requiring the player to find a wrench to fix themselves. Next, we need to create our widgets, so let's go to the UI folder where we're going to create 6 widgets. The first will be called Survival Menu. The next, Slider Bar. Then End Game. The fourth widget is Start Menu. The fifth is Current Score. And then finally, Settings Menu. Okay, we're ready to create our survival game.